Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your Asus router supports VPN or an alternative like Merlin firmware. This matters because the interface and features differ. Once confirmed, download the Open VPN or WireGuard files from your provider and place them on your computer. Then log into the router at 192.168.1.1, make a full backup, and if an update is recommended, install firmware now so you won't interrupt the VPN setup later. You now add the VPN profile in the router's VPN client section, pick Open VPN or WireGuard, and use the Import Config option to pull in the files you downloaded. Next, enter credentials, upload any CA or client certificates, and enable Redirect Gateway if you want all traffic tunneled. Once done, decide whether to set the connection to Always On or create a schedule, and configure per device routing rules by IP or MAC, so specific devices bypass, or you finish by activating the profile and verifying the tunnel is up. Check the router status page and confirm your public IP changed using an external IP tool. Make sure DNS leak protection and the kill switch are enabled, adjust MTU if you see fragmentation, and reapply firewall rules to permit the VPN traffic. If it fails, test the config on a PC first, verify credentials, try a different server, and reboot the router. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.